The U.S.-Canada trade battle is heating up once again. Former President Donald Trump has threatened reciprocal tariffs on Canadian dairy and lumber, calling Canada's trade policies unfair. But what does this mean for businesses, consumers, and the economy? Let's break it down. Trump is pushing back against what he calls unfair tariffs by Canada on U.S. dairy imports. Right now, Canada imposes a massive 250% tariff on some American dairy products. And when it comes to lumber, the U.S. has long accused Canada of unfair subsidies. Trump's response? Match Canada's tariffs with a reciprocal tax. But will this protect American businesses or start a trade war? New tariffs won't just affect businesses. Consumers will feel the impact, too. Higher dairy tariffs could push up grocery prices, and increased lumber costs could raise home building expenses. If Canada retaliates, it could mean even more economic pain on both sides of the border. While Trump's move is meant to protect American farmers and loggers, not everyone is on board. Some U.S. dairy producers rely on Canada as a key export market, and homebuilders worry about higher lumber prices slowing down construction projects. Will this policy help or hurt the economy? So far, the Canadian government has not issued an official response, but many experts predict retaliatory tariffs. In previous trade disputes, Canada has fought back with its own taxes on U.S. goods. Could we see another round of trade battles between these two allies? This isn't the first time the U.S. and Canada have clashed over trade. In 2018, tariffs on steel and aluminum led to billions in retaliatory measures. The U.S. also had long-standing disputes over softwood lumber, dairy, and auto trade. Are we heading for another showdown? Investors are watching closely. In the past, major trade announcements have shaken stock markets and influenced global trade policies. If these tariffs go into effect, U.S. and Canadian stock markets could see serious volatility. And what about Mexico and other trade partners? Could they be next? Trade tensions are rising. Will these tariffs strengthen the U.S. economy or lead to a full-scale trade war? One thing is clear. The next few months could define the future of North American trade. As both nations stand at a crossroads, only time will tell whether this will lead to growth or another economic standoff. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.